Will I be on good terms with God
before I leave this earth?
No less than 100
And time goes by and time goes.
Tell my mama.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Feel like I need love. Feel like Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. We doing a nighttime POV drive in the Mercedes. It's a 2015 S550. Got the stars on the roof. I don't know if y'all can see it on the video. See right there. But yeah, we're just driving back home. We're just chilling. And then we're gonna change the ambient light color real quick. We're gonna go in the settings. And then it should be right here. What color should we do? Alright, I think this pink one is pretty good. Or we could do like this one. Yeah, this one's pretty sick. And then for the stars, if you watch my other video, it took me like 3 or 4 days to do it. I made a full tutorial on it. But this is the remote for it, and it's also got an app on the phone. And you can just change the colors, whatever color you want. And we can have it on red, green, purple, or like pink. It's pretty sick like this. Yeah. So we just keep it like this. And then we got cruise control on, so it's going like 76 miles per hour. We can go like 77, 78. And it's also got like the steering assist, if you see that green thing right there. So it's kind of like steering itself, or like keeping itself in the lane, which is pretty good. So it's like I'm not even doing that much work. You just gotta keep your eyes on the road, and then eventually it'll tell you to like hold on to the wheel. Look, you'll see in a second. Yeah, like right there. You gotta like grab it and then turn it a little bit, and then or reactivate. But yeah, pretty chill. That's what it looks like outside. Kind of windy, so we'll just keep the window up, put that one down as well. But it's like super windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me pretty well. Yeah.
Hazard reported ahead on I-80 east in half a mile. You're still on the fastest route.
Oh yeah, also I just came back from hanging out with one of my friends from childhood. I haven't seen that dude in like, let me see, I think over, it was like 4, 8, I think almost like over 8 years. I haven't seen him in 8 years. But I was in the area and I called him. I was like, yo, what's good, bro? He's like, what's up? And then I was like, let's go kick it. And then he's like, all right, bet. And we just hung out. We're just catching up a little bit. And then we got some In-N-Out. That was pretty good. And then he brought his like yearbook with him because we went to middle school together. So we were just like looking at the memories and shit. That was pretty dope. It was kind of funny to look at all the other people like we went to school with. I don't know. So I just hung out with them for like an hour. And now I'm gonna go back home and then just chill. I still haven't installed those lowering links yet. Or actually, by the time this video is uploaded, I probably already like did the lowering links and everything. So that might already be done. But yeah, right now the car is not lowered. I kind of want it to be just a little bit lowered. And I already spent like $125 on the lowering links. And the guy was like, it's non-refundable on eBay. So I kind of messed up on that. But it's all good, it should be fine. Alright, turn on the light. That might be a little bit better for the video. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you guys like better. Light on or off. But yeah, this way you guys can see like more of the steering wheel and shit. And it's getting dark outside too, look. But also my tint is like really dark. I think it's like 1% tint or something. I don't know, it's like stacked. That's probably why I got pulled over the other day. No, that can't be why. And you can increase or decrease the following distance between like the car in front of you or something by like twisting right here on this thing. And then it says like 200 feet away from that car. So like increase the distance by that much. It's pretty good if you want like more stopping time and shit, or if you got like bad tire tread, like bad brakes, you want more like distance between the two cars. So yeah, let's just do that. And then that TPMS light, it's because I don't have the TPMS sensors in these new rims. I bought them like that, and I'm like too lazy and too broke to go to a tire shop and pay them like to unmount the tires and install the new TPMS sensors. So I think I could live without the sensors installed. I just gotta like keep my eye on the tire pressure, that's all. Mission, blast off. Back off, tell them niggas back off. Feel like I need love, feel like I need drugs.
I tell my brother that she let me fucked up. I don't see my son much, but I let you fuck, but thankful for my son. I can put you in a position and let you touch the star. Sorry for all the disrespect. Tell my partners to keep it tighter and touch the check. Tell my pops that I got them, but what did you expect? Try to tell you where I was going and you ain't take a step. Time goes by and time goes by. And when that time comes, it's hiding. Time to time, I'm let it fly. Time to time, you ain't be vibing. Time goes by and time goes by. It's that shit that make up songs. Will I be on good terms with God
before I leave this earth?
No less than 100.